Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption on mobile. You can enjoy this epic Western adventure right on your smartphone or tablet. We will cover two primary methods: utilizing powerful cloud gaming services and setting up remote play from your existing console or personal computer. Get ready to bring the Wild West to your fingertips, no matter where you are, with just a few simple steps. Cloud gaming is a fantastic way to play Red Dead Redemption without needing to own a console or powerful computer. These services stream the game over the internet, much like a movie, directly to your mobile device. For the best experience, you will need a very stable internet connection, ideally with a download speed of at least 50 megabits per second. Many popular platforms offer Red Dead Redemption as part of their subscription. Another excellent option is remote play, which allows you to stream Red Dead Redemption directly from your own console or personal computer to your mobile device. This method requires both your gaming system and your phone or tablet to be connected to the same local network. Utilize official applications, such as PlayStation Remote Play or the Xbox app, for optimal performance and a smooth, responsive gaming session. To truly elevate your Red Dead Redemption mobile experience, consider investing in a good Bluetooth controller. Touchscreen controls can be challenging for complex games, and a physical controller offers much greater precision and comfort. A simple phone clip can also securely attach your device to the controller. Finally, ensure your home network is optimized for gaming to minimize any lag or interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.